So now let's take a look at this site from Kate's perspective. What we'll do to achieve that is install a module called Masquerade. I'm going to do a search for Drupal Masquerade, and I'll go to the first result. We'll use the update manager to install this. So I'm going to copy the tarball, go back to our site, go to extend and install new module, paste in the URL and click install. We'll enable it. I'll do a search for Masquerade. I'll check it and click install. Now I'm going to open up an incognito window in Chrome so we can be logged in as two different users at once. So I'm going to go to a file and new incognito window, and I'll copy our URL, paste it in here, and I'm going to log in. Remember, we can always get to our login page by going to /user. At the time of this recording, the Masquerade module has a bug where it hides the login link in the corner. This has been fixed in the development release, so you could use that, but most likely by the time you're watching this, a new release of the module is out that doesn't hide that. But if it does, you can always go to /user to log in. So I'm going to log in as the administrator again. And once we're in here, we can masquerade as a user. The way we do that is by going to People, and then here, next to the user that we want to masquerade as, we can click the drop-down button and select Masquerade As. We're seeing this access denied because we're at admin/people, which Kate doesn't have permission to view.